Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Innal hamdalillah summal hamdalillah la hawla wala quwwata illa billah amma ba'd. I want to present about my internship at Ogya Techno Nusantara Company. Chapter 1 Introduction. Background. Basically, industrial work practice is an educational model where students are directed to realize the knowledge gained during their education at vocational high school into the real world work and seek real experience in the real world of work. Objective and benefit: improving student competence in training skill in the world of work, especially in the IT division. Building a relationship between SMK Madinatul Quran and Ogya companies in South Jakarta. Products worker who have professional expertise and in their field. Implement the material that has been obtained at school so that it can be applied properly. Forming a good work spirit for precaring students. Provide experience to the world of work as part of the educational process. Recognize and understand systems in the world of work and their sequence process. Train students to communicate or interact professionally in the real world of work. Prepare quality human research according to the demands of the time in the era of information and communication technology. Chapter 2 is about companies overview. The history of companies. Ogya Techno Nusantara is a company engaged in information technology, IT, and e-business service. Founded in 1993, Ogya has been known by a name that symbolizes innovation. Providing IT solutions in Indonesia, Ogya never stops innovating to provide end-to-end IT solution from custom application and software design and development, business integration solution, project life cycle management, to training and post-implementation support. About company, Ogya Techno Nusantara is known as one of the names that symbolizes innovation. We never stop innovating to deliver end-to-end IT solution from application and custom software design and development, business integration solution, project life cycle management, to training and post-implementation support. The mission and vision of Ogya Techno Nusantara companies. The mission is to be a leading business solution provider in Indonesia, and the vision enlighten customer satisfaction with an understanding of their company's need and challenge. Then the organizational structure is this. Chapter 3, the theoretical basis. The website. Website is a collection of information in the form of text to image or a collection of pages that are accessed via the internet, where everyone can access it as long as it is connected online with the internet network. Lumen Laravel. Laravel is the one of framework PHP with the most famous and most used in the world, from the web application, from the small project to the big projects. And Lumen is a micro framework created by Laravel developer to accommodate the need of developers who want to create application on the small scale and then Laravel. React.js is a free and open source front-end JavaScript library for building opener interface or UI component. It is maintained by Facebook and a community of individual and corporate developers. React can be used as a basis for single-page or mobile application development. XAMPP is an open-source web server that runs on a cross-platform operating system: Windows, Linux, and macOS. Everything needed to manage a website is available in XAMPP, such as Apache, MySQL, MariaDB, PHP, and Perl. MySQL. MySQL is DBMS database management system using SQL structured query language, commands that are widely used today in making web-based applications. The practice implementation. Time and place. Pakrin was held for 3 months starting on July 26 and until October 22. It was held at home due to the COVID-19 pandemic, but sometimes it was held internship at the office on the Casablanca Street, number 66, Menteng Tebet District, South Jakarta City, Special Capital Region of Jakarta, and start at 6 a.m. until 5 p.m. and get a break for Zuhur prayer, lunch, and Asar prayer. The material and tools is laptop for coding, for make code and visual code, XAMPP, and Postman. Internship activities. During the internship, I and my 2 friends were given a project on the BKKBN website. This project was created for the KB Family Planning Program Administrator and Organizer. To create this project required React.js as front-end and Lumen Laravel as a back-end and MSQL as the database setting. After completing the project, I was selected to convert the project to Android. And this is the picture of project. You can see this, and yeah, this the picture of project in database and on the website for at the user and the home. The conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion. Workability. Pakrin students can improve their work skill through assignment given by the company's DO and DI supervisor. In addition, assignment during Pakrin can foster a sense of responsibility and knowledge of Pakrin students. Initiative and creative. Pakrin students learn how to act and make decisions when faced with unexpected problems that spur them to take initiative and be creative. Quality work. Students report their work to the supervisor of a company to be given a review and important input so that their work is of the higher quality. Discipline of the time. Students are accustomed to working on assignment with a time frame determined by the company's supervisor, so that students are familiar with work deadlines that are applied in the industrial work. Suggestion. For students who take part in the Pakrin activities, they must be diligent in asking the superior or the person in charge when they have problems or things that cannot be overcome by students. It is recommended that students choose a place for Pakrin according to their field of expertise. And the last, filling in the daily journal should be done routinely every day so as not to fill up work. Okay, That all for me. if if there is a mistake, I apologize. And assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.